What is your secret that you can't tell anyone because it will probably ruin your life? I babysat my mom's best friend's 6-month-old baby when I was 15. My mom asked me to because I was grounded and that I owe her. At that time, it felt like I was being punished for looking after a baby and his autistic brother, who was 10 at that time. My mom and her best friend went out shopping and told me it would take 2 hours, but that turned into a whole day. The baby kept crying and crying the whole time, and I didn't know what to do. His cry made the brother overwhelmed. I tried calling my mom, but she never answered. I panicked, so I did something to keep him quiet, and I thought it worked. We drove home. When we arrived, her friend called and said she had to bring the baby to the emergency. Then the baby had to stay in the hospital for months. The baby then recovered, but had a lifelong permanent disability. My mom explained to me his diagnosis. He suffered from shaken baby syndrome. I confessed to my mom what happened because I couldn't help the guilt. Since the mom would forgive her own son, I knew I would be safe from any trouble. We moved out of state a year after to keep me safe. I was scared of karma. Now with my newborn daughter, I had to make sure no one will do that to her.